Baby monitors are built with battery-saving features to help the parent unit last longer between charges, which is why the screen often turns off automatically. These features are commonly called eco mode, Vox, voice activated mode, or sleep mode, and they work by switching the screen off when there's no sound or activity. While this is great for conserving power, some parents prefer a constant live view of their baby. And the good news is that this can usually be changed in the settings. To keep your baby monitor screen on, open the settings menu on the parent unit using the menu or gear button. Look for options like screen timeout, display timeout, or backlight, and set the timer to the longest option or turn it off completely. Next, disable any eco mode or power saving mode, since these are designed to shut the screen off automatically. If your monitor has Vox or sound activation, turn that off as well, because it blanks the screen when the room is quiet. Keep in mind that leaving the screen on all the time will drain the battery much faster, so it's best to keep the parent unit plugged in when using continuous display mode. Since menu names vary by model, checking your monitor's user manual will help you find the exact options quickly